Rosas 5-on-5 elimination match. Introducing first in this corner, Hot Young Bridal, Lori James and Kevin Monroe, the crew of Baes, Here Avalon and Rosas, PPRay. And their opponents, Funnybone, Bateman, Ratchet, Sinn, and Bodhi.
That's the bell right there. You know, we've seen Monster's balls. I think we're going to have to call this the Monster Mash.
That's exactly what we're seeing right now, Loudon. A bunch of pretty boy, hip gyrating, killer babe, hot young body, hard young Briley.
Against the most disgusting fivesome I think I've ever seen.
Yes.
You got Sinn Bodhi, who looks like something out of House of a Thousand Corpses.
You got Sage Sinn, who handed out, well, actually, she was pretty great. She handed out Halloween candy.
That was so cool.
Nurse Ratchet, who, like, I have never seen anyone like Nurse Ratchet. Did you see that entrance?
Yeah, well, I know you're not supposed to wear heels in the ring, that's for sure.
Yeah, Nurse Ratchet doesn't give a damn about this ring that we have rented from EWF.
And the scariest of all might be Bateman, because he is a sadistic motherfucker.
Because he's the most normal looking. You wonder. I mean, look, if these guys are going to go anywhere in public, Bateman's the one who gets them the table when they go to the restaurants. Bateman's the one who speaks to the police after they've murdered somebody. Bateman is the normal looking one, but Bateman is the least normal. Trust me on that.
And the wild card might be Funnybone.
Funnybone with the latex paint on his skull, or perhaps that's actually his skull showing.
Exactly. I heard Briley just had a juice cleanse. I don't think he's ready for this.
And hot young Briley is way too sexy for this. Stop spinning him, Sinn. Put him down. There's a vertical suplex. That poor sexy man just got slammed right on his back.
Sinn Bodhi is the Wizard of Weird, for sure.
But Funnybone is
maybe not going to make anybody laugh tonight. That's no laughing matter. He's got a funny bone, but Briley's going to make a wish because he's tagging out. And here comes
Funnybone has more pleather than 2007 CZW.
But what about PPA? What about PPA?
What about PPA?
What chance?
He's an excellent wrestler.
What chance does he have here against this fivesome of horror?
Well, you're underestimating PPA, even though he's pretty.
I mean,
professional Peter Avalon.
But professionalism is only going to take you so far. On Halloween, I don't think that works.
These chops are unnecessary, Ray Rosas. I agree with you, sir. I agree with you.
I think a Tootsie Roll would have been more appropriate.
That's like the third time you brought up Tootsie Rolls.
They're on my mind.
Broadcast.
They're vegan.
Stop.
They are vegan.
You gotta stop. There's a step up Enziguri from Funnybone.
He almost took PPA's head off.
1, 2, and Ray Rosas saves his tag team partner.
But he gets out. He gets out fast.
His friend, then foe, then friend again, Peter Avalon.
Wow. This is no fun house. I'll tell you that. Even though it may look like you're looking in a fun house mirror. Bateman, the dignified Bateman. I love it. He pulls his hair back before he does something absolutely psychotic.
Goddamn man.
Bateman's the kind of guy put a razor blade in your apple. I'll tell you that much.
The butcher. Oh!
PPA is no stranger to Bateman.
Oh, and Bateman's asking for it. Oh, and there's a punch to the mush.
No. Bateman doesn't play. He's not here to mess around. He's here to win wrestling matches and scare the shit out of people. Ray Rosas, again, I might have to give Ray Rosas the MVP award so far.
Bateman now getting that fist ready.
Nice chin buster there.
Big hip toss from Bateman.
Bateman drops an elbow. A wrestling move for a change. Who's he gonna tag? Sinn Bodhi. The man with he's a human dartboard. I've seen people throw darts right at his back.
I've seen that too. Full Nelson sit-out bomb.
He's also a sideshow freak.
Oh, and Heather Monroe with a sharp kick.
The killer Baes teaming up.
Look at that. Oh, they're going wild. And Team Bar Wrestling are taking out the ghouls and goblins who have invaded our space. This is our space, Loudon.
That's right.
And these freaks are here.
They're saying this is ours, and it doesn't belong to ghosts and goblins.
It doesn't belong to ghouls and goblins. Oh, and there goes Hot Young Bradley. You keep your hands off of his pretty ass. Damn it. Funnybone. I don't even know. Oh, and there's 2 house show dives. There's a reason they call them house show dives, but it doesn't matter. This is the main event. And there goes Nurse Ratchet. Holy shit. Nurse Ratchet just hit the ground really hard.
Nurse Ratchet just went out in the worst way. Sage out of the ring now.
Sage Sinn goes flying. There go the killer Baes. Wait a minute, Kizarni.
And here's the craziest one of them all.
Oh no. He's going to take that light out. That light could come crashing down on Bateman and kill him.
This whole haunted house could come crashing down. Grim grinning ghosts are out to socialize. Don't let the donuts fool you.
Think about it.
Oh, terrifying. From beyond the grave. Inside the ring is Funnybone solamente.
A very odd dive from Sinn Bodhi. Very timid, Loudon. Seemed like he didn't want to go off the top rope or the second rope or the first rope. I wonder if he's seen that somewhere before, perhaps on one of his shows.
It is possible.
Yes.
It is possible.
Yes, perhaps he saw one of the wrestlers that he booked do that.
You might be insinuating something here. Here comes Funnybone.
Funnybone climbs to the... Oh, no, he's going all the way. Wait a minute, Ray Rosas caught him!
You know, that's the third time now Ray Rosas has had the awareness to stop things.
Oh, no, don't do it, Ray Rosas. He's going for a superplex, Loudon.
A superplex right here. From the sky all the way to the grave.
There goes Ray Rosas. Oh, God. He got crowd surfed. They caught him.
Whoa, you ready to fly? Air Funnybone.
that was it.
This crowd is howling at the moon at this point.
You're full of that, aren't you?
It's Halloween, man. I can do it once a year.
All right.
It's my favorite holiday of the year.
I'm just shocked. I'm not even mad. I'm impressed. Funnybone gets a knee up on Peter Avalon. Sends him into the corner. And there's another knee.
That was a Funnybone, all right. Something's wrong with this kid. Something is wrong with this, whatever he is.
He just ripped off his paint.
What the? He's more terrifying without it.
Funnybone with a double stomp. Misses. Peter Avalon misses a super kick, and there's Ray Rosas.
You know, Ray Rosas got to be the best partner you can have. Double team.
PPRay with a beautiful double team.
They drive Funnybone, and they get him.
But Loudon, this is an elimination match.
Of course it is. Of course it is. I knew that. Funnybone is eliminated. And now, Ray Rosas, who in my opinion has... Oh, PPRay, really? PPRay not...
PPRay missed. He really missed there. Ray Rosas, meanwhile, got his shoulder thrown into the post. Now Nurse Ratchet goes for a front choke slam.
Nurse Ratchet has no bedside manner whatsoever. Treating him like a bedpan. Here comes a shot. Ooh, disgusting. You gotta keep those organs on ice, you know. What the hell is that? Oh no, it's a latex glove. And this is the worst part of any procedure. Oh, come on. At least put some jelly on there.
At least give him something to bite on.
Oh, pretty Peter Avalon is about to get something checked out. I don't know when the last time you had a prostate check.
No!
But it's never too early to have one, you know.
Prostate exam from Nurse Ratchet.
As you get old, as a male gets older in his years, it's important to keep up.
Well, you're right. Prostate health is paramount as a man. Nurse Ratchet is always in favor.
Nurse Ratchet is just fucking gross. That's all. I'm just gonna put it like that.
Loudon, I just died a little bit inside. Fingers have gone in bums, into mouths.
Bodily fluids have been exchanged here tonight. What's a little bodily fluid between tag team partners, though? I wish every day was Halloween. I'm just going to say it right now. I wish every day was Halloween. Is this wrestling? Is this wrestling, or is this a John Carpenter movie?
Of all the characters, of all the ghouls and goblins, I didn't think PPRay were going to be the first that I'd see engaged in softcore pornography, but here we are.
Nurse Ratchet. Does Nurse Ratchet feel pain? I'm not even sure. I think Nurse Ratchet loves pain.
Nurse Ratchet just got dumped.
Yeah, what's a good thing, because the killer Baes like to dish it out. And there goes Nurse Ratchet. Well, not looking good for Team Ghoul.
Nurse Ratchet doesn't seem to know when it's time to call it a day.
Back to the demented hospital with you, Nurse Ratchet. What a night, what a walking nightmare. It's like
this match?
It's like Sid Haig has been brought back to life, and he's in the ring with us right now. House of one corpse. Heather Monroe is not used to this. She's used to the bright lights of Hollywood. She's used to being in a chair and getting her makeup done.
Might be a little acting going on. And that was a smile on the face of Heather Monroe. Yes, there was quite a lot of acting going on there. She was feigning fear, feigning being horrified. Meanwhile, PPRay was able to gang up on Bateman. Bateman into the corner now. Ray Rosas in. There's the step-up enziguri they were looking for earlier. Peter Avalon now tosses Bateman to the outside. Not sure why he wouldn't want to pin him there. You've got to eliminate him. Maybe he's hoping for a count out.
I don't think they want to deal with Bateman right now. Sage!
Casadora stunner from Sage Sinn.
Meanwhile, PPA just got unceremoniously dumped.
Heather Monroe snaps Sage to the mat. Laura Monroe now kicking at her, but Sinn Bodhi's got both of them.
He might be preparing 2 headstones right now.
And there he goes.
Out of the ring. Go Sinn Bodhi. What a sin that was. Now the Killer Baes and Sage. Double whip into the ropes. And that's just taunting. That's
right
just
into the
taunting
booty.
Right there. That's not a trick, that was a treat.
Double butts to the face.
Don't make fun of Halloween, come on.
You know what? I'm going to take the other side of this. I think it's a cheap pop to just dress up like Halloween. Kind of unfair. No shit, everybody's going to cheer for you if you come out giving out candy.
I think she looks great.
I'm Team Killer Baes all the way. Heather
I'm
Monroe.
Team Creepy Horde. I'm rooting for the Creepy Death Horde. That's who I'm rooting for.
You don't punch Laura James like that.
Sinn Bodhi doesn't pay attention to the rules. Come on. Show these pretty girls what horror truly is. Oh, that was...
Bateman seems to think that a lick on the skull is par of the course.
Killer Baes now, helpless in the corner.
Double monkey flip!
And Sinn Bodhi proves to be disgustingly resilient.
Heather Monroe and Laura James look like they've been in a car wreck.
Sinn Bodhi covered in...
You gotta love it. Even though the hard cam is facing the opposite way, these ghouls and goblins don't mind. They'll get there eventually.
The whole graveyard is rocking. Oh, both Killer Baes.
I kind of thought that's how it was going to end. I mean, I really just thought they were all going to thriller off into the night and make peace, Loudon. I'm shocked that this match is still continuing.
I thought someone was going to turn into a werewolf.
Hey, look, once the thriller comes on, you know, it's all love and peace. It's time to dance.
Hey.
The Killer Baes have been eliminated. My heart is broken.
This is not a movie. It's not directed by Steven Spielberg. We are bar wrestling. And right now, PPRay has Sinn Bodhi where they want him. Oh, too smart for their own good.
PPRay just not on the same page tonight.
And Sinn Bodhi, big, strong Sinn Bodhi, a powerful man.
Oh, God! He just landed right on the face of Ray Rosas, and Ray Rosas may be knocked out.
He sacrificed his own body, not unlike a zombie.
Oh!
like a poxwalker. Night of the living dead.
No.
Final kick!
Briley with the roll-up. 3.
Oh, hot young Briley. Hot young Briley using his brains there, but getting hit right in the brain.
Loudon, Ray Rosas looks worse for wear right now. We got to get him some medical help. Did you see the way Sinn Bodhi landed on his face?
Sinn Bodhi's not a small man.
Oh, that is not what Ray needed. Bateman's right hands to everyone.
It has just been a horror show from top to bottom. I'm glad it's not in 3D. Oh, wait, it is.
Now hot young Briley coming out of his shell. Oh, and there's a headbutt from Bateman.
Get out of his shell and into hell.
Bateman blocks, pushes Peter Avalon off the ropes. There's a knee lift. And
Wow.
a knockout shot.
Everything Bateman does is executed perfectly.
Tombstone.
And
Super kick from Ray Rosas.
Again, Ray Rosas makes the save. He's the savior of this match.
Ray Rosas ducks it, looks for a stunner, no. Bateman with a knee to the back of the skull. Now he's got Ray Rosas up. Brain buster.
Ray
Rosas
Rosas.
is done.
That leaves hot young Briley in PPA. Beautiful drop kick.
Almost missed it.
He got high on that one. Not unlike the crowd here at Bar Wrestling. PPA now, 2 knees to the back. Can he get Bateman?
Martinis.
He got him. Sage is the sole survivor right now of her team. Can she rise like the Great Pumpkin?
Sage now taking a beating from Briley and Peter Avalon, who look very natural teaming together.
Oh yeah, they look comfortable when it's 2-on-1. Sage now, double whipped into the corner, grabs that second turnbuckle.
Oh, God.
Moonsault onto both men.
Just barely made it.
A horror salt. And now, in the corner, couple of knees. Can Sage keep it going?
Drop toe hold into the penis. Seems to be a staple here at Bar Wrestling. Cannonball.
Sage covers Briley, hooks his leg there, and PPA, he was just right, he was right there. She was too close.
You stupid Halloween bitch!
Oh, there goes my bitch card. That was the last one. Briley DDTs, PPA head first into the canvas. PPA is out.
Sage with the cover. 2, 3. Oh no! Hot young Briley just landed so hard on his ankle. It looks like he broke it in half,
Ooh,
Loudon.
ouch. Briley landing on his ankle.
And he kicks out. Oh, that thing is dangling by a thread.
Sage took advantage of it, but
Oh, and he's fighting through it. Look at it, it's hanging.
oh my God. Oh my God, hot young Briley. He can't even walk. Nonetheless, he charges in the corner, missing with the shoulder.
Oh, God!
Sage Code Red. She gets the pin. Team Ghoul gets the win.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just seen one of the weirdest, one of the most painful matches at bar wrestling, in bar wrestling history. At Bar Wrestling 5, this is Halloween. And Sage Sinn has picked up the victory over Hot Young Briley, whose ankle may be shattered. And it looks like the Freaks are back, Loudon.
It's like they're gonna get together for a little ghoulish reunion here.